we live? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? For the first minute. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You could have been anywhere else in the world today, but you chose to be with us. That's it. Wagwan people. Yep. Give me the mic. Let me rock a little more. Well, this is going to be hard. Yeah, good morning, everybody. You're welcome to today's backtesting. And as usual, this is for personal education. I am doing this just for myself to keep certain things in check. Trying to build my what's that thing, psychology in trading, and also practice a lot using the Stacey Burke trading strategies, using the signal days. You got me? Using the Stacey Burke trading strategy, signal days. Let me check my audio. Audio is good. Let me check my audio. Audio is good. Let me check my audio. Everything is Gucci, yeah? All right, let's go straight into it. Okay, not straight into it because I'm already into it. All right, so for those of you who know me, you know I trade, or I just started talking about this Stacey Burke trading style, which is a style that works a lot for me, works better for me. And the only reason why I'm speaking so much in this, even though it's personal trading for myself, it is still, what's it called? It is still going to make a lot of sense when I'm talking about this, because I don't know when somebody might come across this and can learn one or two things from here. And I try to make things as simple as possible. I talk less, go straight to the point, so I don't have too long of a live stream. You know what I mean? All right, so let me get straight into this like I always do. So we're trading the Stacey Burke trading style. Going with the first red day. This is the signal day that we're focusing on for now. And then after this, we'll now go to first green day, then visit the inside day, then visit the 3 pushes out of the opening range. Then we'll do the 3 days of buys in the market, 3 days of sales in the market, and 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday type of trading style, which happens to be the easiest, but for some strange reasons I've not been able to understand at all. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday trading setup. But I know the 3-day cycle, which is another one, day 1, day 2, day 3, which is not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It could be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It could be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So we'll get to all of those, but we're starting first with our traditional first red day. So the way we're going to be looking at this first red day is the traditional way. There are different modifications that you can do by yourself after sitting down in front of the system and mastering your chart for some time. You understand me? So time on the chart. When people say, you shouldn't spend so much time on the chart, when you're learning something, time on the chart is very important. Spend as much time as you can on the chart. Then when you now master it, you already know what you're looking for. But when you're just learning, you have to spend as much time on the charts. Spend as much time checking out different instruments like forex, that's like currencies, like metals, like indices, and all of that. You have to spend enough time looking at the charts, and the more you look, the more you know. It's not a case of the more you look, the less you see. The more you look, the more you know, and then the more you know, the more you can sit on your hands and wait for the time where your setup presents itself. So you're not just trading every single day because you feel like you should trade, or you're not just trading every single second. You only trade when your setup presents itself. All right, enough talk. So the first red day trading style is a trading style that occurs every week. And then it is a situation where price opens at a particular point, trades above the opening price, and then comes and closes below the opening price. That's the first red day. And then what that signifies is that the next day we'll be looking to sell. You get me? And then this always has to occur at the beginning of the week. So again, price opens, price trades upwards, and then now closes below the opening price. And then the next day we're looking to sell. So I'm going to have a look at the chart and see if we can find examples. And like I said, it has to happen at the beginning. It has to happen at the beginning of the week, and not at the beginning of the week. It has to occur at the highest point of the week. So this is Monday. This is the beginning of the week. Let me draw one horizontal line here. And let's put this one here. Beginning of the week, that's Monday. High of the week for Monday. This is high of the week for Monday. Where is this? Tuesday. Tuesday is an inside day. Wednesday. Where's opening price? This is Wednesday. Opening price. Price opened here. Traded up. Did it close below? No, it didn't close below. Still the highest point of our week. This is Thursday. Opened here. Traded upwards. Traded, closed above. So still above. Then Friday, price opened here. Price opened, traded upwards, found its way and closed below. So this is the first red day. This is a traditional first red day. This is a traditional first red day. So what happens the next day? We're looking to sell. We're looking to sell. Yeah. One very important information I want to pass across. If this sale does not occur this first day, it doesn't mean that the trade is done for. We can look for that sale the next day, even though there's a sale here. From here to here, there's that from the high of the day. So that's what we'll be looking for our entries. High of the day, usually in New York session. High of the day. So if you had come to your trade New York session, you wait for your setup to present itself at the high of the day. Then you now take a sell. Let's say you sold from there to here. That's already 100 pips. So, but the first red day trade actually gives you like 100 plus. But if you look at a very good presentation of the first red day, it gives you something that breaks below the low of the previous day, or the day the first red day was created. So if you look at this particular day here, there's a truck passing. I don't know how long it's going to pass for, and it's getting louder. It's just passing by. So if you look at this, the low of this first red day, it's here. I know. And then it broke it eventually. This is when your first red day has actually played out. This is where your first red day has actually played out. From the high of the day, you take your trade from the high of the day. I am supposed to be trading most of my trade in the New York session, but I live in Nigeria. So I'm usually awake at all sessions. During the Asia session, I haven't gone to bed yet. During the London session, I just woke up. During the New York session, deep in the afternoon, it's like 2 p.m. in Nigeria. And also, I'm always awake at all of these sessions. So when we get to entries, we'll talk about how we can take our entries in all of these times. The entries are usually the same. They are more or less the same type of entries. All right, so this is first red day, took here, continuation here. So we can actually say we have 2 wins so far. 1, 2 so far. All right, so another first red day is here. Price opened here, traded upwards to the close below. Hold on. Let's be very meticulous. This is the day. Price opened here, traded and closed below. Yes. So price closed below. So the next day we're looking to sell. Yeah. So what happened? On the next day, the New York session, the trade. Another one. So this is number 3 already. And then the next day is usually a continuation. Usually. I'm not saying it's all the time. So if you look at this one, first red day we gave us 1, even though it didn't break down. And the second day gave us a continuation, which is 2. This one as well. First red day broke down because it's closed here and gave us another continuation the next day. So that's another 2. That's 4. 4 out of 4. So let's keep going. Let's keep looking for first red day. And it always has to happen at the high of the week. Say this one last week, this one this week. Let's see, look for another one. Beautiful breakout. Beautiful breakout. This is one of those ones that I said that after a while, when you sit there in front of the system, you start to see certain things. This is a new week. This is the high of the week. You see that this one did not break the high of the week. But with the way it closed, you can have this as a first red day. This is a red day as well. This is the first red day, but it's not like the traditional style of first red day. But still, it's still a price opens, traded upwards, and closed below. So in my template, I have something I call first red day minus. It's a day where we have first red day, but it's still around the high of the week, but it doesn't break the current high of the week. So I just call it first red day minus, and I will just watch it and take my trade with all my eyes open. So this happened, and this gave us 1 trade, but this trade happened in London and broke down. This is 1. I don't want to count this one. This is going to be a zero. Although for those that usually trade in the 3rd hour, this is a good trade, but I'm not counting that one. So, but for this one, they gave us this in the London session. That's 5. First red day trade. New week, This is the high of the week. Open here. Where's the opening price? Opening price, did it close below? Let's look at it. Monday, opening price. Open. Did it close below? Slightly. Okay, so let's say it's closed below. So this is the low. Gave us the trade in London session. This is so tight. Yeah, it still gave us the trade in London session. We'll say 5.5, but let's just say 6. It shall happened. And then let's keep going. Where is the high of this week? High of this week. This one again. Open here, close below. Trade at the high of the week, high of the 3 sessions. Beautiful. So this is another first red day signal. Another first red day signal here. First red day. Open, traded upwards, closed below, which means we're looking for a sell. Gave us 3 sessions of rise. This is an entry setup, 3 sessions of rise. Asia, London, and New York. This is one of the best. This is the easiest trading setup. So let's say we're on the system for that one. That would have given us, let's say we entered here. Of course, we would have entered much earlier. It's already over 100 pips. What's this Dow Jones? So this first red day, this is this continuation here. First red day continuation. That's 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. If my maths is right, there's a chance that my maths is incorrect. Let's see. In the week, it's a green day. No. Okay, so let's keep going. First red day. This is the first red day video. Ooh. Beautiful. It's a beautiful. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday breakout. Thursday breakout. Friday breakout. Monday. Sorry, let me just keep looking for first red day. I was already carried away with another. Awesome. Thursday, price opened, traded upwards, closed below. Closed below the opening price, way below the opening price, which is this is a first red day. Typical first red day on the all day trading. So for where to enter. Friday also. Or from Friday continuation rather. So this is a beautiful first red day. One day inside day, Tuesday, green day, first green day-ish. Green day. What's this? Opening price. First red day is another first red day minus. First red day minus. You can't even ignore this one. It's too much of a red day for it to be ignored. Give me a parabolic tanking on Friday. Free cash Friday. Another first red day. This is 8/8. And this is this week. This is this week, Jai. So in US30, as far as I can go backwards with my free subscription for my trading view, all the times that we had a first red day over the span of probably 4 weeks, we had 10/10 or 8/8 trading. It shows you how legit this first red day trading style is. And it's the same with the first green day. So if you look at the first red day, if you look at this signal day trading, we'll talk about the entries later. And that's another conversation. When we get to the entries, you see that that's another good as conversation we can have about this first red day. Okay. Yeah. So typically that's all for this first red day. First red day. And remember, this is back testing, and this is technically for myself. Now, and then just to help with my psychology, help with education, and to also see how legit this trading style is, which is something that really works for me. I've tried SMC, I've tried ICT, I've tried supply and demand, I've tried trend lines, and they all work. Like I always say, they all work, but they all have different types of win rates. Their win rates vary, and then your temperament actually is what you should use in choosing a trading style, and this is the one that works for me the most. You know what I mean? So that's that for checking out first red day in US30. And then if I check NASDAQ, they are more or less the same thing. Let me just run through first red day in NASDAQ and see. So for US30, we got 8/8. But who's counting? Let's go through NASDAQ and see what's going to happen there. So later in the evening, when I do this back test again, I'm going to just go to first green day because it's still the same concept for all. The first red day is the same thing, whether in your indices or your metal or your currencies, they're all the same thing. So I'm just going to look at first green day. First red day occurs at the eye of the week. Opening price, any first red day here. Okay, this is one. Price opened here, traded upwards and closed below on the trading day. All the way on the sell on the second hour, push all the way down. Same week, or is this a first red day? No. So trend continuation to the upside. And then meanwhile, you have to, whether you're using first red day or first green day, another way of increasing your win rate is you have to always zoom out and look at price on a higher scale. Like if you see this now, this is still an uptrend. The pullback should be around 50%. Anything from 50% is when it crosses here that you know that your first red day is going to continue downwards. But if you trade and just takes out this space and continues to go up, you know that it's a trend continuation. So you're not looking for a second day. So I usually use my Fibonacci, or if I'm not using Fibonacci, I'm using this Zigan box. Just use it because it draws a 50% line in the middle. So once you get to 50%, which would be my target if I was entering here, this would be my target. And if you can take more than that, it's all good, but this would be my target. if I enter here. You get me? All right, so when we get to entries, we'll talk about that. So let's look for another first red day in NASDAQ. First red day, yes. Trade open here, started here. Where did it close? It closed above. Did it close above? Yes, it closed above. So that's not a first red day. Is this a first red day? Yes, this is a first red day trade. Set up, bang, bang, bang. Open, traded upwards, closed below. What did he give us here? Did he give us anything? Nope. 1, 2, 3. Would have been looking for entry here. Would have failed miserably. So this is 9-1. Out of 9 trades. No, out of 10 trades. Down would have been a no-no. Oh, no. Oh, okay, sorry. Out of 10 trades, this would have been a no-no. Yeah. If we are using the traditional way, so this is 10, 9, 1. Okay, 9, 1. Out of 10, we've missed one, so 90% win rate so far. See? Trace that, no? It's a red day-ish. This is high of the week, around high of the week. Red day, look for sell. 3 sessions of rise, 1, 2, 3. Sell. Go down, continuation, 3 sessions of rise, sell 2. Like I said, the second is usually a continuation. So if you can see a good setup, you can still enter, trade 3 sessions of rise and sell. So that's plus 2. That's 12-1. So sell. Another 3 sessions of rise. Sell. Another 3. Keep going. That's 13-1. What happened here? Opened here, closed below. Open here, close below. Onto this happened. This must have been news. Those are them who are sharp. But this is a red day though. They gave us a sell opportunity, but I won't count this one. 12-1. 12-1. Red day. Opening price, do close below. They closed above. Closed above, but it still gave us something like that, but we're not counting that one. Because if we don't see first red day here, there are other instruments that would have given us a very good first red day. So still looking. This red day-ish. They close below, they closed above. First red day, sweetness. First red day, sold in London, sold in the first hour of New York. 13-1, continuation on the next day. 14-1. 14-1. Look for another first red day. Here is one. Open, traded upwards, close below. 15-1. Look for another one. First been there, see beautifulness. 15-1. Okay, this is the first red day. No. 15-1. Oh, awesomeness. The big ass one. First red day. where they went below. Those are usually very, very suspect. But let's say 3 sessions of rise. Those are 3 sessions of rise. It didn't rise until the end of the day. Don't have gotten much. Sorry. Let's say -2, even though. Let's say -2, traditional. 14 to 2, 15 to 2. I know my maths might be wrong, sha. 15 to 2. Opening price, close above. What's this? It's a new week. It's a new week. Open. They close below. They close below. First red day minus. So what happened there? It was a trade. Yep. It was a trade. But in all of the sessions, 1, 2, trend continuation, low hanging fruit. Yeah. 15 to 2. Continuation, 16 to 2. More continuation, 17 to 2. I won't count this one, sha. 17 to 2, new week, high of the week, traded up from here. Where did it close? Closed below another first red day. 18 to 2, continuation, 19 to 2. Look for another first red day. This is a new week. First red day, open here. They closed below, they closed above though. That'll give us a beautiful 3 sessions of rise. So somebody like Cameron will still count this as a first red day because it's quite close. Or you just watch. So when you have a beautiful setup like our awesome 3 sessions of rise, 19 to 2. Okay, look for more first red day trade. Opened here, traded, closed below. 20 to 2, continuation. 21 to 2. 21 to 2. New week. So new week. So new week is the opening price, traded upwards, closed below. 23 to 3. 23 to 3. Yeah. 23 to 3. Just run through. So this is this week. Monday, Tuesday, breakouts. Wednesday, breakouts. Okay, so it's 23 to 3. I remember that number. This. Donkey Kong. 23 to 3. Okay, so 23 to 3. That's about 90% win rate. That is about 90% win rate if you get your entries perfectly. So if we're looking at this, you can see that the win rate of this first red day is really high. It's a very legit trading style. You can use this to grow your small account if you stick to the rules. So doing this back test has opened my eyes to see 23 to 3. Out of 23 trades, the 120 and 3 did not go our way. So if you are growing your account exponentially, don't let me use exponentially. If you use the same 1% every day, you know how much you would have grown your account in 1 month, 1 month plus. So on the days where you don't see first red day in NASDAQ or US30 or gold, of course, there's going to be another pair that will have the first red day served on the platter of gold for you. And then the main thing is to hunt for the best trading setup. The one that I hunt for the most is that I'll be hunting for the most, according to Stacey Burke, is I look at my 3 sessions of rise and look for the dump and pump entry, or pump and dump entry. So the 3 sessions of rise is pumping, the dumps. Then if you are doing the first green days, you are dumping, then pumping, and also. So that is all for backtesting the first red day on US30 for today, and NASDAQ. The US30 on NASDAQ, we've spent over 30 minutes, 36 minutes. Now I know. So by Monday, I'm going to start trading. I'll open a very small account of probably like $20. Of $20 on XNES, I'll start trading and see how far we'll go with that. Yes, the kitchen is just by the room where I'm doing my trading today. I thought I should just use somewhere that has plain background. But the only room that is close to, that has that is close to outside or close to the kitchen. So every time any vehicle passes or anybody's making noise in front of my house, you're going to hear. And every time anybody is in the kitchen, you're going to hear. Forgive us. All right, so that's that. Thank you to myself for doing this. And hopefully I stick with the rules when I start trading. Amen. Peace. Okay, so thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Ola Sukwami Pedro, for doing this. Thank you. Thank you.